Welcome to Dr. Ashish Parnani YouTube channel. I am Dr. Ashish and I welcome you in this amazing video. Today we are going to learn the heart of leadership. Yes, the heart of leadership. What is the heart of leadership concept? When we talk about leadership, we know that it is a process to inspire or influence people, that is your team, to achieve a common objective. That's what the definition of leadership is. But from where does it begin? What is the right concept of leadership? My dear leaders, I want to tell you the right concept of leadership is that it starts from the heart, not from the head. Yes, it starts from the heart, not from the head. Because leadership is all about people. The heart of leadership is that a leader goes down where the people are and help them. And that's where the concept of servant leadership comes up. The heart of leadership is being a leader of servant attitude. You need to help people where they are. Let me tell you, there is a wrong concept of leadership, especially in the corporate culture, where people think that leadership is all about moving up the ladder. Not at all. Leadership is not moving up, but leadership, the actual leadership, is going down. Is where you are and you are going down to help a person of the bottom performer, a person who is subordinate to you. You're going there and asking them, can I help you? Do you need anything? Do you need anything so that I can help you and add value in your professional life? That's what leadership is, and that's what the heart of leader is. My dear friend, if you understand the heart of leader, you will understand that it's contagious as well. You will understand that you need to become a servant. You need to have an attitude of a servant to help people. And that's what a true leader is. A true leader, a person who has a heart of leader or leadership concept, will understand that he would be humble in his attitude or her attitude, will always give other people priority first. He or she will not always work on himself or herself, or will not look to uplift himself or take credit every time, but will give credit and will empower other people and always work to help other people how they can succeed, how they can grow, rather always focusing on himself or herself. That's the heart of leadership. My question is, do you have this heart of leadership? Do you have the servanthood attitude of leadership in you? If you have, that's wonderful. Keep on going. If you not, this is the video for you to correct yourself right now. And now have a heart of leadership where you put people first. People should be first. Whether you are a leader, put your customers first. You are a leader in an organization or a manager in an organization, put your employees first, put your team first, and be a servant leader. Ask them, how can I help you? How can I be of service to you? That's what the heart of leadership is. I hope that you have learned something new. I request you to please share this video to your known managers and leaders around. Please share it so that they can learn something new. And also I would request you and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.